Hey, this is Dr. Aiken with the Mind Fitness Method. This is my after workout thought here, and perfectionism will kill any of your endeavors, including trying to lose weight and keep off the weight. If you're too much of a perfectionist, you're not going to be able to, make it happen as easily. So here's the deal. I got up today a little late. Okay, I was pretty sore from yesterday's workout. I did something that I hadn't done in a while, and it made me sore, and I was slow out of the gates this morning. It's so slow, in fact, that I wasn't going to be able to get all of my workout in. Now, the perfectionist says to themselves in a situation like this, if they were planning on working out an hour in the morning and their workout got cut in half, because they woke up late, they go, forget it, I'm just not going to work out today. I'm just going to skip it. I'm going to go through my day and I'm going to work out tomorrow. Okay? Or they say, forget it, I'm not going to work out at all this morning and I'm going to go on to work. I'm going to do my work. But when they get to work, like I said in the last video about willpower, their willpower battery runs down and they don't get it done before the end of the day. And then they think to themselves, I just can't make this happen. Self-efficacy goes down and they end up quitting. So here's the deal. It don't have to be perfect in order for you to still get ahead with weight loss. If you miss half your workout, then just work out half your workout. Do half of it. If you miss 2/3 of it, do 2/3 of it. I mean, if all you can get in is 10 or 12 minutes, that's good enough, to get you started. Momentum is more important than perfection, okay? So get what you can done in, and take a partial win. Okay, don't let it be a total loss. Let it be a partial win. Same thing with your diet. If you blew it, let's just say at lunchtime somebody had some cookies in the lunchroom and you couldn't resist, you ate one. Okay, fine. Do what you can not to eat 50 of them. All right. Let it be a partial win or a partial loss, not a total loss. So don't say, oh crap, I just ate one, I might as well eat 20. Say, I'm going to eat these one or two, and then I'm going to leave these suckers alone for about 15 minutes and see if I still want any more, because probably by then your hypothalamus, the part in your brain that senses that sugar in your bloodstream, will have caught up with you and it'll say, you're good, you don't need any more. But you need about 15 minutes after those first 2 cookies before you decide to eat 100 more. So get partial wins and suffer only partial losses. That's okay. It's in those partial wins and partial losses rather than total win, rather than skipping a total win or skipping and getting a total loss. That's where the difference between gaining weight and losing weight is. It doesn't have to be perfect. At Google, they say done is better than perfect. Okay? Done is better than perfect. So realize that the winning in weight loss is in those partial wins and partial losses that you do all day long. There is no perfectionism. And if you screw up, it's okay. Let it be a partial loss, not a total loss, and you're going to win in the end. I'm Dr. Eric Aiken with the Mind Fitness Method. Remember, it's your brain that maintains the change.